Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. In today's video we'll be working on a vehicle made by Fiat Chrysler Corporation. So if you guys have Fiat, Dodge, Chrysler, Jeep guys, even Alfa Romeo guys and Lancia, stay with us and we'll explain what needs to be done to remove or replace the headrest in your vehicle guys. Many of the vehicles built by that corporation will be that way. We will demonstrate on Dodge Dart, but it should work on many vehicles guys. Video is super simple guys. It will take only a few minutes to explain everything. This is guys the headrest. Okay, right here, stay with us and we will explain how to do that. Quick introduction guys. Every single car we get at the shop, including this one here, we make at least 200 videos. Why? Because our mission in the shop is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and hopefully you will find the information helpful. If you guys need to buy any replacement parts, tools, or anything like that, and you want to save even more money, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can find them for a really good price. This is guys the headrest, okay, and we'll show you now how to remove and how to replace that thing. So let us explain you now guys. Okay, we're going to go to this side. Okay, let me show you. I'll pass it here and I'll go on the other side and show you exactly what needs to be done. So when you have the headrest guys, doesn't matter if it's front seat or rear seat, the procedure will be the same. Front left, front right, rear, all of them will be about the same. Usually guys, you have a button here that you press and you pull it up, right? Check it out now. You need to push that button to go down, and if you want to pull it up, okay, you can just pull it up, but then it stops guys. Why? You press that button, you try to pull it, nothing happens guys. So as you can see, if you come on this side, you may have a thing that you press in, or you may have a hole that you may need to stick a needle and push it in. It has two different designs. Push that one in, push that one at the same time, and pull it up guys. Once you do that, okay, if you don't have enough room, tilt the seat a little bit to the back, okay, like that, so we can clear more room and pull it out. Now, one important thing guys, make sure, okay, you do that. You may have airbag wires in your headrest. You may have the active headrests, okay, the one that support your neck in a collision, and if you have airbag wires, you cannot disconnect it like that. Why? Because guys, okay, the airbag wire will be there and you have to take the seat apart on the back side, disconnect the wire, and then remove the headrest. We have the video on the channel how to do that one if you have the active headrest. So hopefully the video will be helpful guys to any of you trying to do that. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.